Hi guys, we will be testing for the changes of indicator colors in acids and bases. So here we have bromophenol blue indicator. First we will pour a few drops onto a white tiles to see the color of the indicator itself. So the indicator has a blue purple appearance. The indicator has a blue purple appearance. Now we add the same indicator to a few drops of HCl and a few drops of NaOH to see the change in color. So now we are adding bromophenol blue to acid and it turns yellow. The bromophenol blue indicator in acids appear yellow and in bases it appears blue. So on its own it has a blue purple appearance, it turns yellow in acids and it turns blue in bases.